Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows channel. In Windows 11, when you right click an app in the start menu, you usually see the run as administrator option, but the run as different user option is hidden by default. In this video, I will show you how to add the run as different user option in the Windows 11 start menu. This method uses a built-in setting. So to enable this one option, first click on the start button, then click on this one settings. After that, select system in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one advanced. After that, click this one file explorer. Under file explorer, now you will see an option show option to run as different user in a start. Turn on this one toggle. Now close this setting app, open the start menu and right click on any app and you will see run as different user. That's all about this video. Bye.